Hey guys, I'm Jody Fitz. Welcome back into the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club. I'm going to make you the chocolate strawberry covered smoothie. It's super yummy and delicious. All right, I have 3 cups of the fresh frozen strawberries. I'm going to add those to my blender. I have 1.5 cups of milk. This is so easy but delicious. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of honey. It's that simple. Now we're going to blend it up. All right, now I'm going to pour it into a glass. This is thick and creamy, just like a milkshake, but much healthier, and it tastes just like a chocolate covered strawberry. So good. All right, guys, stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club, where we have more great recipes coming your way soon.